Students, today we are in the second part of the perfect square, means our third chapter, squares and square roots. Today we learn some properties of square roots. Property 1, a number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never be a perfect square. Means if the last digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8, then this can't be a square number. Examples 82, 93, 187, 248. You can see all the numbers are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. So these numbers cannot be any square number. Now property number 2, a number ending in an odd number of 0. What is the meaning of odd number? Odd number is the number which cannot be divided by 2. See, 1. Number of 0 is 1. Number of 0 is 3. Number of 0 is 5. So 5, 3, 1, these all are odd number. These numbers cannot be divisible by 2. So these numbers cannot be any square number. Property 3. If a number when divided by 3 leaves the remainder 2, then it is not a perfect square. So if we divide this number 3, we can get a remainder 2. So this number cannot be divisible. This number can't be a perfect square. Property number 4. If a number when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 2 and 3, then it is not a perfect square. It means if a given number is divisible, if a given number after dividing by 4, if remainder are 2 or 3, then the number cannot be a perfect square. Next, the square of an even number is always even. You can take some example. 2 square. 2 is a even number. The square of 2 is 4. 4 is also an even number. Take another example. 8 square equal to 64. 8 is an even number. So square of 8 is 64. This also is an even number. The square of an odd number is always odd. Take an example. 1 square equal to 1. 1 is an odd number. So the square of 1 equals to 1. This is also an odd number. Take another example. 9 square equal to 81. 9 is an odd number. So the square of 9 equals to 81, which is also an odd number. Now see, take another example. Property 7. The square of a proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? A fraction which have small numerator and greater denominator is known as proper fraction, is smaller than the fraction. See, 2 by 3 whole square equals to 4 by 9, and we get 4 by 9 means after square the answer is always less than the original fraction. Students, now we are in exercise 3b. See, evaluate 141 whole square minus 140 whole square. In this case, you have to see these two numbers are just 1 less than 141, means this is just one greater than this number. So in this case, we have to add this number with this number, means 141 plus 140. The answer is 281. Take another example. If this is 11 square minus 10 square, then the answer will be 11 plus 10 equal to 21. Next, using formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, evaluate 508 whole square. In this case, just see the formula. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this case, we have to break the number 508 into two parts. See, 508 equal to 500 plus 8. So we can get a plus b. A is 500 and b is 8. So the formula will be a square means 500 square plus 2 into a into b means 2 into 500 into 8 plus the b square means 8 square. After calculation we get 2,58,064. Next, using formula a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, we have to evaluate 891 whole square. So just see, this is a minus b whole square. In this case, we have to break 891 by a minus b. See, 900 minus 9, this means 891. So, a equal to 900 and b equal to 9. So, using the formula a square means 900 square minus 2 into a into b means 2 into 900 into 9 plus b square means 9 whole square. After calculation we get 63,881. Next, evaluate 94 into 106. In this case, we have to use this formula means a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, just see, we have to break 94 into 106 by this type a plus b into a minus b. See, 94 equal to 100 minus 6 and 106 equal to 100 plus 6. So, we get a minus b and a plus b, where a equal to 100 and b equal to 6. Now, using the formula 100 square minus b 6 square means a square minus b square. After calculation, we can get 9,964. Okay students, thank you for today's class.